Hey guys, welcome back to Cool Beans, and today we're doing a special episode where we're making gourmet homemade cat tuna treats for our furry friends. So this is a very simple recipe. You're only going to need 4 ingredients, and those are 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a cup of oat flour, a can of tuna with the water, and 1 egg. So let's get started. So if you already have oat flour, you can skip this step. But if you just have oats, then we will have to grind them. Remember, half a cup. Now we're going to put in all the other ingredients before grinding again. First, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Put in the egg. Now let's add the tuna. Don't worry about the water going in as well, because it will give the treats extra moisture for your cats. Now we're going to mix. And now we're going to shape it into small balls, which will become the treats. We're gonna put the uncooked balls into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes.